Alright, so for this lesson, we're going to do the opposite of the last lesson. Last lesson, you took regular numbers in standard form and put them into scientific notation. Now we're going to take numbers that, if you notice, see this part? This is already in scientific notation. And by the way, I'm just on the second part of the last page we did. Alright, so these numbers are already in scientific notation. We're going to turn them, like the directions say, into standard form, or back into regular numbers. And this is actually easier. Okay, so look at the scientific. This is my number 6.17 times 10 to the third. So here's all you need to do. Write this first number again, 6.17. And this is what I'm going to do for my work here. I'm going to do what it says. It says 3 for the exponent. That means 3 jumps, and positive means I go to the right. So you always put your pencil on the decimal, and we're going to do jumps. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. Now what I need to do here is this. See how there is an empty jump. Every empty jump, you just fill it in with a 0. Now I can't leave my answer like this because technically there's 2 decimals here. Here's where it started, here's where it ended. So my final answer, when I clean it up, I'm going to write it with the decimal in its new place. So I'm going to write it like this. And if you put it on the end, it's not wrong, it's okay. But it's not here between the 6 and the 1 anymore. After we do the jumps, it's here. Okay? Alright, nice and easy. Let's try another one. Number 8 says 7 times 10 to the 4th. So I'm going to write my first number, 7. And once again, there's no decimal. Remember we said if there's no decimal, it's at the end. So I'm just going to put it right there. Now I'm going to do my jumps. My exponent is a 4. It's positive. I go this way. So start here and do 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. The decimals landed here. Now I need to go fill in my empty jumps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 empty jumps. Now let's give our final answer. The decimal is now gone and it's here. And I can put that there. That's the final answer. Okay? Alright, number 9. 7.31 times 10 to the 6th. So start with the number always, 7.31. Put your pencil on the decimal, and we're going to make 6 jumps. Positive is to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decimals here. A lot of empty jumps to fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4 empty jumps. So let's clean it up. 7, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And decimals at the end. You can put it there or leave it. It's the same thing. But it's not here anymore. Okay? Alright. Let's look at number 10. Now it's 5.4 times 10 to the negative 8. So let's put the first number down, 5.4. And then let's look at what we're going to do. Now our exponent says negative 8. So we're going to go 8 jumps to the left. So start on the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the decimal's here. Let's go carefully fill in all of our empty jumps. 3, 4. So that should be 7 zeros to fill in. Alright, now in this case, remember when the decimal's on the back, it can be there or not, it doesn't matter. But when the decimal's on the front like it is now, you have to put it there. So this final answer is point. There are 7 zeros, 5, 4. That is the final answer. The decimal is no longer here. It's now in the front after we jumped it. Alright, number 11, 6.7 times 10 to the negative 3. Rewrite this 6.7. Negative 3 means 3 jumps to the left, so start on the decimal. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps. Here's the decimal now. Fill in the 2 empty jumps with zeros. Let's write the final answer. Decimals in the front. 0, 0, 6, 7. Standard form. Alright, last one. 9.59 times 10 to the 2. 9.59 is the number. My exponent is a positive 2, so that's 2 to the right. 1, 2. The decimal is here now, so when I clean this up, it's just 959. You can put it there or leave it off the end, but that's where it is now. Okay, so for this one, you're going to go to this page where the direction says, write each number in standard notation. These are already in scientific, so now you're going to put it in standard.